Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Temporarily deactivating Instagram can provide a much needed break from the constant pressure of social media and allow for greater focus on personal well-being. So let's start the video. To deactivate Instagram account, open Instagram app, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here tap on Account Center. Tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple Instagram accounts, then choose your account by tapping on it. Here tap on the first option, which is Deactivate Account. Remember, deactivating your account is temporary. Now select the first option and tap on Continue. Enter your Instagram password and tap on Continue. Your Instagram account will be deactivated and your profile will be hidden. So that's how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Thanks for watching.